Okay, solve. So we did some evaluating of expressions. We did a verify of an identity. Here's the solve of an equation. And it did say between 0 and 2 pi. And you could see that there's actually two different formulas we're going to need. We need the sign of a sum and the sign of a difference. So you should have it right in front of you. Plug it in. Sine of x, cosine of pi over 4, plus the cosine of x, sine of pi over 4. Right, that all is this first term. Okay, next, plus. It's the sign of a difference, so it's sine of x, cosine of pi over 4, minus the cosine of x, sine of pi over 4, equals -1. So now, these two terms are opposites, so they cancel. And these two terms are the same, so they add. Right? It's 2 sine x cosine of pi over 4 equals -1. Right? So let's see. Yeah, we know the cosine of pi over 4, that's root 2 over 2. Right, the 2's cancel. So we get that the sine of x equals -1 over the square root of 2, which is -root 2 over 2. So what are the values of x if the sine equals -root 2 over 2? Pi over 4? 7 pi over 4. Right? At those two angles, sine equals -root 2 over 2. -root 2 over 2. Yeah. What's that? No, what cancels, this whole term is the opposite of this whole term. One's a plus, one's a minus. 0. Yeah.
What did you do right there with the -1? You got -1.
Divide by the square root of 2 and then rationalize. Does that explain it? I mean, you're solving for the sine of x. You got to multiply the square root of 2 as a factor here. You got to divide both sides by that. Now, we know -1 over the square root of 2, if you rationalize, it's going to look like that. Okay. Where does sine equal that? At those two angles.